of Extra Rice Incorporated, Kenyahan versus Bo Belga. It'll be Norbert Torres and Raul Soyo jumping it up, and that was your tip-off. Brought to you by Honda.
It's for both of these teams, and of course, all the teams in the league.
Oh, that was a good forward pass.
Absolutely. Themselves back in the rhythm, back in the shape.
You could say the same about the referees, the officials, everyone.
Oh, yeah.
Happy to be bringing the action to you. Thank you for keeping it locked here on PBA Rush's Bo Belga.
Here, good decision making out there, and pretty good execution, particularly on the part of Nlex.
That three-point shot is money for keeper Ravena as hands it off to Mokon against Semerad. Belga top of the key against Soyud. Bo Belga converts the Kevin Alas. Dribble penetration, then kick out. Very difficult to defend out here.
Absolutely. Our co-workers earlier. It's just good to see everybody back here.
Again, this is your 2021 Honda PBA Philippine Cup, brought to you by Honda, the official motorcycle of
travel. But what I said earlier, Rain or Shine has really beefed up that front line.
Another three-point shot from the sideball screen. Hook pass well read by Kevin Alas, and he will waltz his way to the cup for two.
That's just
on referees not biting. Alas to Semerad, another three on the way, good again. Ravena, another three. Wow. Good again for keeper. Now who will step up from the second unit for Nlex and help them out?
This kid plays, really aggressive. Plays with a lot of confidence. There's Joel Ponferrada.
Both teams still far from the penalty situation. As this will be an end one opportunity.
Expect to be the way you were before.
Tough shot coming from Gabe Norwood. Panyamogan gets the switch. Looking for the mismatch. Miranda to Oftana. Extra pass. Cruz for three. That's good.
It's good. Braga versus Bo Belga.
In terms of build, as you see that smart play coming from Belga.
Are really good.
Ali, name me another big man who would have made. Got pass with Ambata. Going up against Ravena. Good sharp crossover. And that is
Things started to really take its toll.
Sorry, missed there for Bo Belga. 30 to a 1-point advantage for the Nlex Road Warriors. Look at this, Bo Belga missing. There's another big man, a new one. Down low, outworking Chris Porter. Santillano with a putback. Seeing the third rookie, seeing action for the Rain or Shine Elastoplane versus Andre Carrasco, if not for the cancellation of the Doha bubble.
One of the things about Soyu is his energy, crafty with it. Otherwise, that's a really good move. And of course, we don't see too much of this in the modern day big game, but every once in a while.
I'm sure JR is very familiar with that kind of offense. As keeper Ravena. I'm sure that other PBA big men are happy that they're separated and no longer together.
I know, right?
Meanwhile, a good attack here for J Road Warriors. Look at that, great read coming from Mokon, and he is rewarded with a pass right when he was
5 travels.
That may be worse than getting into foul trouble, Ali.
Well, at one point,
is saved, but it will go to the other side. Kevin Alas, the extra pass. Don't roll. Carlo Pamintuan with Ali Peak on the call. This will be a free basket for the Nlex for another careless.
Well, I just want to see them start converting because so far, it looks like they're getting really good looks, especially the last 3 possessions.
Maybe 3-4 losses, and that's it. That's your entire campaign.
Just talking to some of the teams.
Batangas or in Pampanga or in Ilocos, in Lawag, wherever else training was possible, they took advantage of it as Bo Belga could.
With Rain or Shine, it has been so far. So Keith Ravena knocks down a mid-range jump.
Torres goes to the corner. Belga another 3. That's good again.
Why not? He's looking at Semerad. But that's actually a nice pass by Norbert Torres. I thought he was going to try to go all the way. That was
the Road Warriors. As Torres goes all the way this time.
There you go. Was it off Porter's knee?
I thought so. Meanwhile, Porter scores 2 points down low to Ricky. rebound, Miranda. Forward pass now to keeper Ravena. Touchdown.
First of all, that was really good defense by Nlex.
Recovered by Asisio. Norwood with the bounce pass to Jubal. Yep. Norwood settles for the jumper. He did not know what was happening.
And he went ahead and took it.
Ravena to the corner. Soyud for three. That's good. That is basically good. Quick entry pass. Solid defense coming from Nlex. Nlex as Rainer Shine attacks. Asisio for three. Good.
Why not?
Rainer Shine as the Elasto Painters are kings of the paint. For this contest so far, Don Trollano attacks baseline. Trollano with a dipsy-do move.
So one thing of Rainer Shine, because right now it's really the inside presence of Rainer Shine that's controlling this basketball game. We look at that nice move there by Don Trollano.
Stay hot for Nlex. The answer, at least here in the third, is no. They've been missing a lot from the three-point range, but they're still taking those shots. Meanwhile, 17 offensive rebounds compared to only 9 for Rainer Shine. As finally a chance to tie or even take the lead for the white shirts. Pinyahan pulls the trigger for three. That's good. The three-point shot started to fall again for the Nlex Road Warriors. First it was Don Trollano, then it was J.R. Quinyahan as Kiefer Ravena thanks the heavens. That was what helped them grab the advantage. Now we're all level as Don Trollano scores with that little hook shot. It was a tight contest in the first half, but Alaska just made so much better in the second half. A 64-point quarter where the Alaska Aces got good games from Mike Di Gregorio with 20. Yusef Taha, upon his return, scores 16 points, 7 of 10 from the field.
You know, I can totally see that happening with some of the players, just getting impatient with themselves because they expect so much from themselves.
Don Trollano with the effort once again. It's all about
close, really close in this fourth quarter, because of those 50-50 balls.
Meanwhile, a good response. 2-point advantage still for Rainer Shine. Nambata, the jumper is good.
And just taking the shot regardless.
Ravena goes for the spin. Another nice fake as the layup drops for Kiefer in this possession.
Well, we're going to see different options, of course, but what I'm looking for is the actual shot that they want.
Oh, shot is good for Bo Belga. Oh, a timeout. Sorry, a timeout was called. But first, look at this. Even in traffic, 4 players, 4 defenders around him. Bo Belga. Trollano, the designated inbounder, goes to Ravena. The long three-point shot is good.
Oh, man. This
courtesy of a long bomb coming from the phenom. Kiefer Ravena taking another three-point shot. For Nlex, they have an opportunity to win this. Kiefer Ravena attacks. Kicks it out to Semerad. 4 seconds remaining. Semerad forces the shot up. Empty possession. Ugly possession for Nlex, and they will